Hi, this is Dustin Brand with National Car Wash Solutions. I'm here today to introduce to you the new Solutions Control Center Nexus by NCS. The first thing that I want to talk about today is the all stainless steel, non-proprietary, air-piloted valves that we introduced to this new system, as well as half-inch valve upgrades that allows you to get to higher flow rates such as 8 to 14 GPM. We also have individual isolated shutoff valves for each port on the system, as well as an all stainless steel designed manifold. The next item on the SCC Nexus that I would like to talk about is the all stainless steel back panel. It's great for harsh environments in the car wash setting, as well as an onboard air filter regulator, which has an auto drain system. We incorporated automated industrial valves with auto shutoffs to where you can individually work on each valve when necessary. The SCC Nexus system comes standard with an external non-proprietary VFD. We also offer integrated VFD options as well. In the Nexus model, we incorporated new onboard controls for easy troubleshooting. You can see the LED light indicators that help with troubleshooting that make maintenance a 1-minute project. Everything in the system is connectorized for easy swap outs. The Nexus system is powered by an all stainless steel Grundfos pump for durability, reliability, and ease of maintenance. Also, the system comes naturally as voltage agnostic. It accepts 24-volt AC, DC, and 110-volt AC for any and all car wash retrofits. The SCC Nexus comes completely equipped for upgrades such as AccuLevel and AccuPump.